Hi, my name is Mads, and here's some instructions on how to add platforms. Before we start, make sure you've opened the Lesson 5 Wwise Adventure Game Wwise project. When you open the Wwise project, no matter if you have multiple platforms, you will always be working on a certain platform in Wwise. And the platform is indicated in the toolbar, where you see the platform selector. You'll see that we have installed the Mac and Windows platform. But how do you change that? How do you add a new platform? Well, you go into Projects and down to the Platform Manager. And here you see all the platforms you have in the project. So here we have the Mac and the Windows platform. And in the bottom you have several options. The first option you have is to add a platform. So click Add and choose the Android platform. And copy the settings from the Windows platform and press OK. Notice a new platform is appearing in the Platform Manager. This platform is not yet added, but when you press OK, this platform will copy the settings from the Windows platform and make a new platform called Android. Now press OK. The changes you do in the Platform Manager cannot be undone. So be cautious about removing and copying settings. But right now we want to proceed with this one. And press OK. The project will now restart. So now go into the platform selector. And here you can see the Android platform has been added. Let's also add the iOS platform. So again, go into Project, Platform Manager, select Add, select iOS. And this time, let's copy the settings from the Android platform. And press OK. Yes, and OK. And in the platform selector, look for the iOS device. Now in the Platform Manager, you can also copy settings. So if you already created a platform, you can select Copy Settings and, for example, choose to put the settings from iOS into Android. Be aware that this will copy all platform exclusive things as well, and those platform exclusive things that are not available on the new platform will be set to default. If you are following the certification or want to learn more about Wwise Adventure Game, you can click on the signpost.